Friends, the recently happened India-USA 2+2 dialogue between defense ministers and foreign ministers of both the countries has gained relevance mainly because it occurred on the backdrop of Israel-Palestine war, the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, and the ongoing Asia-Pacific economic cooperation and the military assertiveness of China that is causing instability in the Asia-Pacific region. This 2+2 dialogue India has not only with USA but with other countries with which we have deep defense ties and strategic partnership like Japan, Australia, UK and Russia. It is going to have a major impact on India. Firstly, if you take defense, the defense collaboration, co-production and co-development between India and USA is going to increase, and the defense manufacturing hubs in India are going to increase because of technology transfer and more investments, which is going to make India in near future self-reliant in defense manufacturing. As you see that we have got licensed manufacturing of making the jet engines in India. The second area of collaboration is the critical and emerging technologies. It is also going to have a major impact in India because India these days is having more and more startups in the critical and emerging technologies such as manufacturing of semiconductors and in the artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, in the space technology, health sector and biotechnology. In fact, out of the $5 trillion economy India is aiming for, almost 20%, that is $1 trillion, comes from the critical and emerging technologies only. Also, it is going to provide more and more employment because India has sustained 60 to 65 million jobs per year. Similarly, the third area where we are going to have impact is the trade. India and USA trade has improved a lot in the last few years. This year, USA has been the major trading partner of India. However, one concern is that exports from India are not really increasing to that much scale at which the imports from USA are increasing. Maybe because USA has recently removed the GSP for certain exports from India, which affected the textile and pharma exports. So it has to be taken care, and negotiations are going on. Definitely, if USA is allowing more exports from India, then this large trade between India and USA is going to impact India more positively. The other thing is that India and USA are having different standpoints when it comes to certain international relations like the Iran. The stand taken by USA and India are quite different on Iran, and the Israel-Palestine war, though both are very solid in contributing to humanitarian aid for Palestinian people, the stand is slightly different. India continues its stand of two-state theory, wherein there should be clearly demarcated boundaries between Palestine and Israel, and both should govern their territory as per the international law. Similarly, in the Russia-Ukraine war also, the stand of India and USA are quite different. Though the stand of India is not matching with USA in most of these aspects, both the countries are learning to agree the disagreement between them, still continue the collaboration mainly because there are common factors between both the countries, like both are large democracies and both want a rule-based international governance, stability in the Asia-Pacific region. Particularly, this 2+ dialogue helps India in maintaining its maritime security and helping India in curbing terrorism on the Indian borders. So these will be the major impacts of the recently concluded 2+ dialogue, friends. Take care, bye.